guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Fred Moa. As always, remember to subscribe, like and comment to this YouTube channel, and make sure you like and subscribe. Make sure you subscribe always to this YouTube channel. So without wasting our time, our lesson today, I'm going to teach you about what we call what are inversions. Inversions. So our lesson is about inversions. Inversions. So let's play the inversion. What are inversions? The first we start there. Play this do re mi fa sol la ti do, la sol fa mi re do re mi fa sol la ti do. This is what making me to play this. Inversion to start with, let me start showing it with the key of C. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do. So we start with the first chord. So the first chord, C here. This is chord C. And this is also the C. So from this C to this C, we are supposed to have two inversions within, so that we can come to an octave of C. Yeah, just listen carefully so that you can understand what are inversions. So I'm saying from this C, we have this C and we have another C here. So this is C, an octave of C. So this C is supposed to have two inversions between this C and the octave C. So an octave is saying we are going to take this note, and now we are going to start with this 1, 2, and then this note we are going to touch it on the other side, like that. And then the second inversion, we are going to leave this and just start with this, and this note we are going to hold it here. So the three inversions are this, and this. These are the same note. Also when we come to D, is the same thing. We have this D, we are supposed to have another D here. So here between we have two inversion, first inversion and second inversion. First inversion, second inversion. D, first inversion, second inversion. D, first inversion, second inversion. C, first inversion, second inversion. Like that. So after that we go to E. E, we are supposed to have also two inversions. This is C and this is A. So we have this C. So we have E, first inversion, second inversion. E, first inversion, second inversion. And then we have F also. Sorry, we have F here. So we have first inversion, second inversion. First inversion, second inversion. We have G, first inversion, second inversion. We have A major, we go to first inversion, second inversion. Another, the last one is E, B major. So we have B, first inversion, second inversion. Or B, we are saying B, first inversion, second inversion. B. And also we have that I have just shown you the inversion of white keys So, and we have also black key inversion. We have C sharp, C sharp. We have first inversion of C sharp. You take this note to the last here. So you hold it like that. First inversion, second inversion. C sharp, first inversion, second inversion. We go to D sharp. D sharp, we hold like that. So we are going to take this here. So we are going first inversion, second inversion. D sharp, D sharp, first inversion, second inversion. We go to F sharp, first inversion, second inversion. F sharp, first inversion, second inversion. I hope you are understanding about the inversion. We have here G sharp, we go to G sharp, we go to first inversion, second inversion. G sharp, first inversion, second inversion. We go to the last, which is, we call it A sharp, or you can call it as B flat. B flat. This is called B flat. So you take it like this, like that. B flat, first inversion, and then you go to second inversion. So with that, I know you have understood something about the inversion. That is all what we call inversion. I hope this lesson was helpful, and make sure you repeat the lesson from the start if you have not understood what I just showed you here. Just listen carefully and watch the lesson like thrice or as many times as possible until you understand what are inversion. Thank you guys, and let's meet on the next video. My name is Fred Moore. Make sure you have subscribed to this channel, like and comment about any song you want me to teach you. And if you have any donation you want to just donate to me, so you can donate it through my number in the description or on the video, or you can use the PayPal link on my description. So thank you guys, and God bless you. Until next time, bye bye.